So after a slow start, you guys kind of picked things up and got that double-digit lead going into halftime, and then kind of let it slip away from you at the end of the game. But just talk about the way you guys were able to stay resilient and pull it out in the end.
Yeah, I mean, overall, we've had a lot of tough games last year, the same situation that we lost. So I'm glad that we got one right off the bat in a non-conference situation to where we could feel that win. 5 of our games that we lost last year were by 3 points or less, and it came down to overtime or this type of situation. So getting that victory in the first game of the season, kind of get that monkey off our back a little bit to where the guys feel a little confidence going in there at that time. If we make free throws down the stretch, it's a total different game. I think it's still a double-digit lead, and then making smarter decisions. We've been talking about the guys about situational basketball, knowing the situation that you're in the game, and it might not be take the wide open shot. It might be to take 20 or 30 seconds off the clock. So just making sure the guys understand that and we're playing to our strengths.
Do you think it's good the more you guys get in these close games, especially early in the season, how much it'll prepare you down the road?
Yeah, I mean, Fruitport's going to be in our district, so this is a good victory for that. It's going to be good to prepare us for conference games in this one, to the close games. With the games that we had last year, those prepared us for this year. And we kind of do situational stuff in practice as well to try to prepare us to, when we're in that situation, we can take advantage of it. Tonight we got lucky and made a couple of free throws at the very end.
What are your goals for this team before Christmas break here?
Christmas break, I mean, if I look at the teams that we play, we have a good Christmas tournament that I would like to go in and win over at Cornerstone. It's always a tough one. We've got some tough teams on our side, so that's a goal of ours, is to win Christmas break. I would like to go in there and obviously go into that tournament being undefeated. We got Montague this week. It's kind of a tough way to start off the conference with two of the top teams in the conference facing off on a first conference game, but we both got to get ready for it and play it. So, maybe be competitive going up there, hopefully sneak one out at their place, and then we have a couple of Grant and then the tournament, and hopefully go into the holiday with an undefeated record.
All right, thanks, Coach. Congrats.
Thanks.